sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka. Understand their meanings. Memorize the words. Repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise Him, worship Him, and prostrate yourself before Him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras. Become receptive and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss. Vaikuntha Purusha Pranaha.
Vaikuntha Purusha Pranaha.
Pranadah Pranavah Pruthuhu.
Pranadah Pranavah Pruthuhu.
Hiranyagarbha Shatrughno.
Hiranyagarbha Shatrughno.
Vyapto Vayuradhokshajaha.
Vyapto Vayuradhokshajaha.
Vaikuntha.
Vaikuntha.
Purushaha.
Purushaha.
Pranaha.
Pranaha.
Pranadaha.
Pranadaha.
Pranavaha.
Pranavaha.
Pruthuhu.
Pruthuhu.
Hiranyagarbha.
Hiranyagarbha.
Shatrughnaha.
Shatrughnaha.
Vyaptaha.
Vyaptaha.
Vayuhu.
Vayuhu.
Adhokshajaha.
Adhokshajaha.
Om Vaikunthaya Namaha.
Om Vaikunthaya Namaha.
Om Purushaya Namaha.
Om Purushaya Namaha.
Om Pranaya Namaha.
Om Pranaya Namaha.
Om Pranadaya Namaha.
Om Pranadaya Namaha.
Om Pranavaya Namaha.
Om Pranavaya Namaha.
Om Pruthave Namaha.
Om Pruthave Namaha.
Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha.
Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha.
Om Shatrughnaya Namaha.
Om Shatrughnaya Namaha.
Om Vyaptaya Namaha.
Om Vyaptaya Namaha.
Om Vayave Namaha.
Om Vayave Namaha.
Om Adhokshajaya Namaha.
Om Adhokshajaya Namaha.
He is Purusha, the preeminent being. When the seekers overcome all obstacles, He takes them into His fold. He resides in the hearts of those who meditate on Him. He gives the vital force, or prana, and sustains everyone. He is full of auspicious qualities. He gives His devotees discrimination to conquer sensuous pleasures. His filial love and tenderness are overwhelming. Sometimes he himself seeks his devotees like Bharadwaja, Guha and Shabari. He is indeed like the ocean of nectar that is inexhaustible.